All right, so neutralization reactions. Okay, and this is actually one of those that pH level, worksheet question number 3 that you guys didn't get a chance to actually do. Okay, so typically what happens in a neutralization reaction is that we have an acid and a base react to produce water and some sort of a salt. Okay, so that's how we know that we're dealing with an acid-base neutralization. Okay, water is typically produced, but more than anything, the neutralization part actually occurs between a hydronium ion and a hydroxide ion. Okay, so that's where that acid and base kind of match up, go with the fact that they're going to neutralize each other. Now, one of the things too, if you understand that acids and hydroxide, how can they interact between each other to produce water? What could happen with between the hydronium and the hydroxide? Black magic, okay? The hydronium can actually give its hydrogen to the hydroxide, because hydroxide wants to fill its spot with the hydrogen, and then hydronium is easily going to be able to give up a hydrogen ion if it wants to get to that water. So technically, how many waters are produced in a neutralization? Kind of like 2, okay? Now, where this salt comes from, that's typically where the spectator ion kind of participates, okay? So quite often, like the salt, okay, ionic compounds tend to be salts, so therefore it tends to kind of get that spectator ion look to it from whatever's left over and hasn't participated in there, okay? But more than anything, the whole idea behind a neutralization reaction is that waters like to get produced in this case. Okay, so can you handle this? That's all for the notes there. Okay, questions 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 on page 253. There's no worksheet for this one.